What's going on, y'all? So listen. So the haves and the have-nots, season 5 episode. What is this? 16 railroads. Okay, so now I'm understanding a little bit. Cause bitch, we was all confused as fuck last week about where the hell this shit coming from. Let me just get Benny's situation out the way. Hannah, she out here picking out the casket and stuff with Catherine and stuff. And she's trying to plan the funeral. She's gonna have it on Saturday. She keep trying to get in contact with Benny. She cannot get in contact with Benny. Every time she calls his phone, Mitch answers, or that's what happens. Mitch answers, and Mitch is not telling her the full truth that Benny is in jail. And he's trying to say, oh, he just left out. He went to the store. Hannah knows her child. Hannah knows when her kids, regardless of what's going on or how fucked up their relationships may be sometimes, she knows when some bullshit is going down with her kids, a mother instinct, okay? And basically, what she told old boy was, quit playing with me, okay, and tell me what the hell is going on. So he's giving her the runaround. Next thing you know, Catherine takes the phone and was like, hello, where's Benny? He was like, wait a minute, who's this? This is Catherine Cryer. Listen, you cannot tell Hannah this, but Benny is in jail, bitch. I don't know what for. Well, they in jail. They arrested him on the connection with that Quincy Maxwell murder. It was like, damn. Okay, well, she said you can't tell her what's going on because she's already going through some stuff, and Benny don't want her to find out, because at this time Benny thought that they was just bluffing and gonna put his ass in there and then take his ass right back. Oh no, boo boo. We got Secret Service and shit coming up in there talking about some here terrorism, violating the Patriot Act, just like Candace, and trying to go after presidential candidate and everything. And I'm like, girl, what? We all confused as shit. Benny just looking dumb as hell up in there, pouting up in the goddamn jail cell, interrogation room and shit. So Catherine gets off the phone with Mitch, and she tries her best not to, spill the beans, but it's fucking Hannah. And she like, that's your son. So listen, let me tell you what's going on, girl, bitch. Your son in jail. I'm gonna call my people to get on this ball to see what the fuck is going on. So of course Hannah's like, fuck this shit. That's my kid, the only good one or semi good one that I got left in her eyes. So I gotta go get my son. And she had every right to. I wouldn't expect any less. Okay, child. We get down to the goddamn jail, and Veronica brings her ass up there in the interrogation room. And Benny, like I said, was sitting there pouting, he and his feelings. I would be too, because, bitch, first you tell me, technically, because you won't say nothing about where your sister at, I'm going to arrest you. And then when I get here, you asking me all these questions, and I'm telling you I don't know shit, and I'm not going to tell you what I do know. Then you tell me that I'm not under arrest, so I can just leave anytime I want to. I could have been left. And then when I get ready to take my ass out of here, you come up in here with a Secret Service talking about I'm up in here, with some connection with terrorism and all that bullshit. I said, what the fuck? Me and Benny confused the shit, and it don't take much to confuse Benny, okay? That motherfucker is like, he can't connect the dots, okay? And neither can we. So Veronica brings her ass up in there, and he trying to figure out what's going on. Veronica is even stumped. She was like, what high-powered person did you piss off? Because, I know there's me. He said, the only high-powered person I know is you, and then there's David. She said, yes, I'm a high-powered person, but bitch, Secret Service and all that shit, that's way above my pay grade, okay? That's way above my, length of power. Even David, okay, we can't do no shit like this. So she confused about what's going on. And at one point, Benny, she said she gonna get it figured out, because if something like that would have happened to Secret Service or whatever, they should have put it down in his docket. They didn't put it down in his paperwork. So she got to go figure out what's going on. And then Benny just was over the bullshit and was like, bitch, you had something to do with this. This is all your fucking doing. I mean, damn, bitch, what is it, okay? I know I put that dick on you real good, okay? You ain't had some young shit in a long time, right? And then all of a sudden, you got me come up in here and say, pop, pop, pop. And you was like, oh, daddy, I can't let it go. And so I'm like, damn, all I had to do was just fucking ask, bitch. Quit playing games with my life. Veronica looked at him like, bitch, let me tell you something. You got me all the way fucked up, all right? Trust and believe. The dick was okay. Okay, it was okay, but it wasn't good enough to do no shit like this. I'm confused as fuck just like you are. Now, if you can shut the fuck up and let me help you, you, we can get this shit done together. But let me just tell you this. I'm going to go out here and I'm going to take care of this. But as soon as I get your ass out, we'll talk about who put it on whom. And then you'll work off your retainer. Basically, translation, you're going to be paying me in dick. And that dick is not your dick anymore. It's mine. And whenever I call, you're going to come and service me until I say that it's all paid off. I said, goddamn, Benny, you opened up your mouth and got in bed with you opened up your dick and got in bed with the wrong person. Speaking of dicks, did y'all see Girls Trip? I'm not going to do that. I'll wait till tomorrow. Because I got something to say on that one. But, grape motherfucking fruit. 2 of them. I said, God, see, that's why I'm gay as hell, because ain't no fucking way. I'm scared. Anyway, moving on from that. If you've seen the movie, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That movie was good and funny as shit. I am so proud of them. Anyway, off that. Wyatt, he in the hospital. Anna's still up in there with him. He finally wakes up. She was like, oh my God, you've been asleep such a long time. And then he was like, how long have I been out? Man, I've been asleep a long time. I said, she just said that. She said, a long time. I said, well, bitch, y'all answering each other questions with the same. You answering the question with the question that you already posed. Listen, I had no time. I said, Anna, why are you really still there? Okay, I mean, you really supposed to be sitting there all day holding his hand. You ain't got no other clients or whatever. But all right, I don't care when nobody says something about Anna, and this whole service is like fishy to me. So they was like, well, the doctor said you're doing good, and as soon as you wake up, that you can be able to go home. I said, that's all that it took. That's all that it took is the rehab and detoxing over with. You know, because I know some people that been dependent on that shit. It's longer than that. All right, so I was a little confused, but you know, this is Tyler Perry TV world. So, you know, you got to speed up a little shit. So he getting ready to go. Here come Jim, like, you know, son, I'm trying to figure out what's going on with you. He said, bitch, what the fuck are you doing up in here? It was like, are you scared of me? And he was like, hell no, I'm not scared of you. Then why, when I tried to come over there bag you, you pulled away? He said, maybe because you beat my ass. Maybe because you threw me up in a jail cell with a fucking maniac that took my vagina. Like, maybe all of this shit that's been going on. Okay, I just don't trust your ass, all right? He was like, listen, I don't understand what you doing here. You trying to act like you care and all that shit. But, bitch, I know this got something to do with this court date that's coming up or whatever, okay? But, let me just tell you this. I'm not taking shit back. I am going to testify against your ass in court, and it ain't shit that you can do about it, okay? He said, listen, son, I don't care about that. Do what you got to do. My thing is, I love you, and I do care about you, and I want you to get better. I just want you to give me back that money. He said, bitch, first of all, that's my money, and I got well enough of it so that I won't have to deal with you or mama. I don't want to ever see you guys again. I said, why? You better stop that. You better stop that. You're moving too far. Okay, I understand your qualms with your daddy, but you need your mama. You need your mama because that bitch is the only one that really do care for you, and you're going to be your own downfall because just like you blew through all of that goddamn money already on that coat, you're going to keep on doing it. And that goddamn apartment, you're going to be $12 million. When you think about it, you're going to blow through that shit. People can blow through a whole bunch of money in less than a year. Okay? You think you set up? No. Why are you going to be on his ass destitute, crying back to his mom and daddy and all this stuff? And Jim knows this. And Jim kept saying, listen, my whole thing is my son was going through some stuff and I couldn't get to you. And he was like, because I was in jail. He was like, yeah, I know, because I put your ass there. And Jim's whole thing is, I'm trying to reach out to you now because I want to see you doing good. I don't want this to backfire. Give me back the money. Give it to your mom. Let her put it in a trust or whatever. And, you know, we give it to you in allowances and stuff each month. He said, bitch, I ain't fucking 12 allowances. Get the fuck out of here. He was over it. He basically told Jim, fuck you and deuces. Jim calling Oscar to see what's the plan is with, you know, that he got going to try to get the money back from Wyatt. And he trying to figure out what he's doing because he wants to be in on the stuff and see what the plan is so that he can know his next step, but Oscar won't tell him what he got already in the work. Meanwhile, Oscar is outside talking to fucking Anna, talking about some, just tell me some information about this and about that, or when he leaves and all that stuff. And of course, Anna bitch ass gonna give it to her. I said, you know what? What happened to patient? You ain't no patient confidentiality up in this bitch, nothing. Oh, whatever. Moving on from that, Veronica. Veronica is on some bullshit. And see, I can't stand this about Veronica because I don't necessarily hate Veronica, because there are certain parts of her that I can connect with. Given that I'm a Capricorn, sometimes us Capricorns can appear to be insensitive, nonchalant as fuck, okay? Like, bitch, I don't give a shit about your feelings, alright? Chuck that shit up and move the fuck on. You want me to give you sympathy? You want me to cry for you and all that shit? Bitch, my eyes are dry, okay? Tear ducts just on dust, alright? What are you talking about? So, all this shit is going on. And that part about Veronica, I can understand. Because deep down, part of her little mystique is, she try to seem like she a cold-hearted bitch. But when she comes off like that, sometimes that's the way that she showed that she actually care. Now, I kind of figured that out a little bit in this scene when she was talking to Melissa. And Melissa, bitch, you still got me fucked up. And I'm going to tell y'all something. That girl been in that hospital. How long? She been awake. How long? Y'all couldn't give her a brush, a comb, give her some water to slick back that hair, whatever. I ain't even seen, gotta do something fancy. At least put that shit back in place. All right, let her brush out her wig. Give her some brown gel to hold it down a little bit. She just looked all fucked up. I understand she tried to take her life, but, I fixed that shit up a little bit. Okay, Veronica came up in there and was like, hey. She was like, oh my God, hi. Veronica was like, you okay? Yeah, I am. All right, so let's get down to the brass tacks. Don't you ever in your motherfucking life do some shit like that? First of all, it threw me off that Veronica came up in there kind of on peace cool. You know what I'm saying? She was concerned just a little bit, but she really wasn't. But she really was, okay? Veronica went in on Melissa and said, bitch, don't you ever do no shit like that. Because the only thing that I fucking care about, I don't care about your ass. That's what you want. You want me to care? You want me to give you something that I can't give you. Sympathy, bitch. And I ain't got nothing for you, alright? The only thing that I give a shit about is the baby. My grandson that's inside you, okay? What the fuck you up here acting like this for, alright? You mean to tell me you don't want to grow up? You don't want to have you don't want to be rich? You don't want to live the lifestyle of the rich and famous and all this shit? You don't want none of that stuff? Bitch, I will knock your ass out if you ever try to do some shit like that again. I don't remember what it is that she said to her. Veronica slapped the dog shit out of Melissa. And Melissa said, bitch, don't you put your hands on me. And she slapped her again. She said, what you gonna do? I said, Melissa, slap the bitch again. Melissa just stood there like, okay, I'm gonna just let you have this shit. Her heartbeat just going up on the monitors and shit. I said, you know what? Veronica, you's an evil ass bitch. You's an evil ass bitch, alright? But then, see, this is where I draw my conclusion about her. Veronica want to mask that she don't give a shit about Melissa, and you can say that, oh, it's really just about the the grandchild or whatever. But no, she said, shit happens. People come, people go, people die. You have to move on, all right? And let me just tell you this. If you really wanted to do this, you really wanted to kill yourself, you would have dug that razor a little bit deeper. Bitch, and let me tell y'all something. When them motherfuckers try to kill themselves this way, that's not how you do it. And that's a trap for attention, okay? When you try to slit your wrist, you go this way because that's where the vein's at. And it'll open up the vein, okay? And then you will really bleed out. Trust and believe, I know because my sister told me that shit. She worked in the field and all that stuff in the medical. When she told me that shit, I said, bitch, that makes sense because your veins do go this way and not... I said, well, damn, bitch, I never tried that shit, but that's quite interesting. It's superficial most of the time when you do it like that. So Veronica was onto some shit like, you just crying out for attention, okay? You crying out for something that I can't give you right now, all right? And the way that she spoke about that shit, I was like, you know what? Veronica, you kind of right. You gave her some real shit right there in that very moment. That slight moment. gave her some real shit. And I said, all right, Veronica, you want to act like you don't really care about her, but a slight part of you do care about her because you gave her some advice that came into that was real. Like, I was like, okay, and it really wasn't bitchy. But then you fucked up and went back into Veronica and said, bitch, I can only do that for so long. Okay, mask that shit for so long. But let me tell you something. If you ever try some shit like this again, I fucking kill your ass myself. But then again, no, I won't. I have your ass living in the motherfucking catatonic state. I said, catatonic? What? She said, bitch, you will know how I feel to die and live at the same time. At the same fucking time. I said, well, shit, goddamn it, bitch. You know, that is an evil bitch that I can appreciate to a certain extent. But then it disgusts me too because she just conflicts me and my emotions. I was like, God damn it, Veronica, you are such a bitch. But I understand sometimes. But then there are other times I'm like, girl, you doing way too much. But moving on from that. Justin and Officer Dewey, not Officer Dewey, Jeffrey and Officer Dewey, Justin. Listen, he following Jeffrey. You just don't get the point. If you can't get in contact with this person, did you do this with your wife? You probably didn't. Did you really chase the bitch down and make her marry you or whatever? I don't understand because Jeffrey must got man, unicorns, pixie dust, shoots and ladders, stars, the universe, you know, your favorite things. These are a few of my favorite things. You know, he must got all of that up in his vagina must be magical, okay? Because all these niggas is coming after him and they just can't get the hint that he don't want them like that. All right? Justin, you know, your mom, we need to talk. He was like, what the fuck are you doing here? Your mom is out here threatening to talk to my wife. Now, would she do some shit like that? Yeah. I mean, you met my mom. She crazy as fuck. She ain't scared. Okay. It was like, well, you know, I need you to, you know, tell me I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way that I treated you the first time we met and all that stuff. Okay, but can you tell me this? Am I doing better? I said, what the fuck? Are you doing better? He was like, I mean, okay, you working now. Wait a minute, that's all that you can give me? I said, Justin, you better calm that shit down. Justin is in no position to be getting pissed off at nobody. This fatal attraction ass bitch, you have to fucking go. You have a wife and a child. He said, I have a wife and I have a child and all this stuff is going on. Veronica threatened to go to her, but yet I'm here with you. Don't that mean anything? Don't you see what that shows? That shows that I'm committed. Jeffrey said, bitch, committed to fucking what? I don't fucking know you. I mean, I know. We can get to know each other. I said, no, the fuck we can't. Jeffrey, close the door on that shit. But then, see, this is where Jeffrey fucked up. You fucking around with a cop. They can get away with a lot of bullshit. And not just any cop, a fucking white cop, okay? I said, child, this don't make no sense, all right? He talking all this stuff and, okay, you know what? He was like, look, I gotta go, okay? What, you going back to see him? I was like, are you back on this bullshit? Are you really back on this bullshit? He was like, okay, listen, I'm sorry. I'm going to go, but just call me because I miss you. He said, bitch, I just seen you 5 minutes ago. I know you did, but damn, you don't miss me? I said, Jeffrey, cut that shit loose. Seek your mama on his ass. But then again, if you seek your mama on her, you going to owe your mama a goddamn favor again. So, you know, she going to blackmail you with something else. I said, Jeffrey, protect yourself because that motherfucker ain't right. Now, let's get on to the main event that happened when we first opened up the episode. Continuation of what happened last week when all of a sudden, you know, Charles was like, bitch, Vincent, come on in here. All them Secret Service came up in there and was trying to charge and say that Candace had this laptop and was spying on him. She's violating the Patriot Act. You know, she's in connection with terrorism, trying to recruit people and all this stuff. She looked like, bitch, what the fuck? And I was like, what the hell is going on, Tyler? Because it's not connecting, all right? My spidey senses is telling me nothing. All right, it's just not firing. And then all of a sudden, when I see this part, I said, oh, so I get it. All right, they did set Candace up and, you know, had on the laptop. First of all, the laptop wasn't hers. And at first I'm thinking Oscar had something to do with this. Oscar was setting her ass up or whatever. They opened up the laptop. They showing pictures of the fact that, saying that she been following him and taking pictures of his kids and everything for the past 2 years or so. And then 5 years. And she was like, bitch, I I just heard about your ass like 2 days ago. What the fuck are you talking about? And, you know, at this point in time, what we come to realize throughout this whole charade of a show, well, this scene that I'm talking about, this show that they putting on for Candace, um, Mr. Charles said, sometimes you have to fucking flex a bit your power to show a motherfucker who really got the power and who really boss, okay? And I was like, all right, I understand where you coming from. You had to show Candace that bitch. No, you think you bossing this shit? No, I'm King Kunta up in this bitch, okay? I'm the one that got the power, okay? I know every fucking thing there is about you, including the fact that you was down at that bar. You never brought no phone, you never brought no laptop, but you was sitting over there talking to that dude, Oscar, Brandon, whatever you want to call him. And I know that he was sitting here to get something from me to set my ass up. I know that he wants you to do it too, okay? And that's why I took everything. We tossed this whole fucking room, that blackmail recording that you had. That was the only thing we found. And you know that shit is deleted too. She was like, I was never going to use it, okay? I never wanted to blackmail you. I said, this motherfucker knows Candace down, all right? Now see, bitch, he was checking. And I said, you know, I gotta give him props. Motherfucker ain't stupid. All right, he ain't stupid. He know the game. I know you trying to get some shit. I know you working with Oscar. Or at least he trying to get to work with me. All right, and it's just not gonna work. And if we're gonna do this thing, I have to be able to trust your ass. And let me just tell you something. Oh, I ain't gonna let your ass go. I'm gonna let them take all this bullshit off. I was just playing with your ass, but I'm in control of this shit. So, bitch, when I say jump, your ass better say how motherfucking high. Now drop them drawers and let's get this shit in. I said, you know, you just scared the life out of me, but I'm slightly turned on. Come on, let's do what we gotta do. Candace was, you couldn't tell me no difference. I would have fucked his ass up. I slapped the shit out of you. Don't you ever do no shit like this. Take this 90, but don't you ever do no shit like this. You better take this dick, but I ain't gonna ever. You better not fucking play with me no more. You know, it's just gonna be like that. It's just gonna be like that. Then all of a sudden, knock, knock, knock. Who's at the door? Motherfucking Landon. I said I thought we was over and done with this bitch. Landon comes to the door, and as we see with Landon, child, Landon, I guess, is his campaign manager or little assistant or whatever. And he sees Candace in there. And you know, they last interaction trying to get Jeffrey, my dude Dreads, up in there. He brought him in there to scare his ass or whatever, to leave Jeffrey the fuck alone. So he kept on looking, and he's trying to tell him about some stuff that's happening in his I guess the area where he's at, the neighborhood. And it's about a shooting that happened with a young grandmother or whatever, and a young child got caught in a crossfire and he passed away. And he was like, you should go down there and you should speak on it. He said, I'm not going to play on this mother's grief like that. I said, oh my God, you're sleeping with the mother, okay? You've been fucking with the mother all this time, and you just don't know, and she don't know, all right? And how come you couldn't tell her that? That's the one thing you couldn't tell her. You can tell her about all the puss and the dicks that she had up inside her, all the cons that she had. Bitch, he knew about the $7.4 million and all that shit. He said you got that shit and you lost that shit in a matter of a month. I said, well, damn. Goddamn, you ain't have to throw the shit in her face like that. You could tell her all that, but you couldn't tell her that her son died. Goddamn, because he didn't know. He just found out. That's fucked up. Everybody knows but Candace. Candace hears this stuff, and her spidey senses sparks just a little bit. But then she, you know, sits back down, and she knows that she's making Landon uncomfortable, and Landon trying to tell old boy to get up out of there, and you need to come on down here like he the boss. And Charles had to put him in check and say, no. That's not how we do shit, okay? Okay, who the fuck you think you talking to? I'll be down there when I get down there. I was like, all right. Landon don't try to fuck some shit up. I said, Landon, shut up. He knows everything about her and what she does, all right? So you really don't have the upper hand. At the end of the episode, David and Erica meet up talking about their past, tryst, and how, it's okay. It's okay. You didn't do anything wrong. Actually, you did everything right. And he was like, for real? I thought we was just drunk and we did too much and all this stuff. No, it was everything that I wanted. And then some. I said, let me fuck around and see that Erica actually falling for David. That's going to be something. Next thing you know, Erica was like, but let me just tell you this one thing. I don't do crazy psychotic wives, okay? That's the one thing that I don't do. Bitch, why did she say that shit? Because as soon as she said that shit, it was like Veronica was lurking in the shadows behind Erica, and she slid right into that empty seat and said, "Oh, you called?" I said, "Ain't this some shit?" And that's how the episode ended, y'all. Y'all tell me how y'all feel, and I will see y'all later. Peace.